Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm here with my friend Kenny and we're here at Fort de Soto Beach. We're here in the historic fort area. We're gonna explore and see what we can find.
Fort de Soto, awesome place to be.
Fort de Soto was once known as Mullet Key. However, it became Fort de Soto in 1900, named by Spanish explorer Hernando de Soto.
Hey man, you're gonna let me out of here. I gotta go back to work on Monday. Come on, man.
Construction of Fort de Soto began in November of 1898 and was completed in 1906. The foundation was constructed of a seashell and concrete formula, and the walls and ceilings used a seashell, stone, and concrete mix.
In 1849, a detachment of the U.S. Army engineers, including Robert E. Lee, who later would become the commander of the Confederate Army, surveyed this area. This post, along with other posts, contained batteries of artillery and mortars to protect Tampa Bay from any invading forces. This is one of Fort de Soto's two 6-inch 40 caliber rapid-fire Armstrong guns. The guns were refurbished and remounted for display at Fort de Soto in the year 1980.
The main attraction at the completed post were the artillery and 12-inch coastal defense mortar batteries named Laidley and Bigelow. The post was active from the year 1898 to 1910, and at least one company was present at Fort de Soto at all times, and many times several units were present. That building is called the data booth. It is used to relay latitude and longitude positions from observers to mortar crews.
Well, folks, this is it. Another adventure. This time was Fort de Soto. We're going to go check out the pier, but you've seen the park. It's beautiful, the fort. Don't forget to come check it out. Nice place to be.